Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. In today's recipe, I'll share with you one of the Ghanaians street food, and this is called gogbe. We normally eat this with our hands. Please respect others people's culture. This is so delicious, and it's basically beans and plantain, cooked beans and plantain. So as you can tell here, I added my beans to the bowl. I added in water. I'll wash it and soak it overnight. It helps to take out some of the gas. The next day, I'll transfer it into my saucepan, add in water, enough water. You want to add in enough water here. Cover it and let it cook for about 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes to 40 minutes, I went and checked, and as you can tell here, it's still cooking, but we are not there yet. This is called gogbe. It's very famous in Ghana. Any street, like where you pass, you find this amazing recipe, and trust me, it's very delicious. So I covered it and I'll move to the plantain. Since I said in the beginning that it's basically beans and ripe plantain, so I'll go ahead and peel my plantain. Make sure your plantain is ripe. I'll slice it into smaller pieces and then move to the next step. After 1 hour and more, the beans is almost ready here. I went ahead and added in salt. I'll stir it together till well combine. You know, beans, if you are adding in salt, just be careful. It's better to add in small at a time, because the least mistake you do, the salt will overpower the beans. So make sure you add in little salt at a time, or check and stir and see if it's okay for your liking. I then added in salt to the plantain, and I'll fry these bad boys until they are ready. So this is it, guys. It's simple, it's easy, and trust me, sometimes the things you find it's very simple, they are the foods, or they are the things that comes out delicious and more yummacious. So after some minutes, I'll go ahead and flip my plantain and let it cook on the other side too. And basically this is it, guys. It's simple, it's easy, and trust me, once you try it, we normally eat it with our hands, but you can always eat with a spoon or a fork. But I personally preferred eating it with my hands. So at this point, my plantains were ready. I took it off from the fire. I'll go ahead and pre-heat my palm oil, and these are the ingredients that you need: beans, plantain, palm oil. I'll steam the palm oil with a little bit of chopped onion, and that's it, guys. It's simple, easy, and you are ready to go. For serving, if you're using the leaf, first thing you have to do is add in your gari. My gari, I like it smooth, so I blended it a little bit. But if you want some crunchiness in your gari too, you can like use it like that. But I prefer it smooth when it comes to eating gogbe. So I first added in gari, the beans, and then I'll set this to well combined. Then I'll add in my fried plantain, and then this is it, guys. I added in 1 egg, which is totally optional, and you're good to go. You can eat this in your plate, but I prefer eating it in the leaf since I have it. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Why don't you give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, this turned out so delicious. Please try this recipe and tell me something in the comment section. Just look at it. Isn't it amazing with your zumi? Isn't it amazing, guys? I ate all these beans. It was so delicious. It's soft with the plantain to take you to heaven. See you in my next video. Bye bye.